Bravokids Toys for 3 to 6 years old girls boys, LCD writing tablet 10-inch doodleboard, electronic drawing tablet drawing pads, educational birthday gift for kids toddler. The Bravokids LCD writing tablet is an educational gift for 3 to 6-year-old girls and boys. Let's explore its features, benefits, drawbacks, and overall impression. Benefits: entertaining and educational, kids can practice letters, numbers, and creativity without wasting paper. Travel-friendly, ideal for road trips, airplanes, restaurants, and more. Button battery warning: comes with an extra button battery, ensuring safety during unboxing. Drawbacks: plastic material: some parents may prefer eco-friendly materials. Limited age range: while perfect for toddlers and preschoolers, older kids may outgrow it. Overall impression: the Bravokids LCD writing tablet strikes a balance between fun and learning. It's a great tool for creative expression, travel entertainment, and reducing paper clutter. Price: $13.99.